So guys, these are the coconut macaroons. I'm going to put them in the oven now to bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll show you guys how it comes out. So everyone, here they are. They just came out of the oven, and these will be for my family to enjoy. So thank you to Reshmi for including me in this wonderful Maco Yuh Kitchen series, and thank you guys for coming and Maco in my kitchen.
Come Maco my kitchen. Right, it's cheesecake time, and I'm making this the same way as I made the raspberry cheesecake in the video on my channel, with a slight difference. I've decided this time to line my springform pie dish with greaseproof paper, and there's a disc of it on the bottom, and I've spread my digestive biscuit and butter mix. You can do the same with graham crackers along the bottom, and I'm now going to pile all my rest of my ingredients on top. I think that might make for a better looking cheesecake, but we shall see. So I'm just going to mix up my gelatin exactly the same. The only difference is this time I'll be using a black currant jam, but you can use any kind of jam you like for this recipe. So into my mix, which is my gelatine, which I've made with Irish moss, carrageen, agar, call it what you like. Same thing, it's a vegetarian gelatin. You can use gelatin just as easy. And I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of that in there. I'm just going to open my cream cheese, and now all this goes into the tub, into a mixing bowl. Tasty Trini gave me this. Nice, isn't it? It's a really handy spatula. And in with 1/3 of the cup of icing sugar and 300 mils of, this is extra thick heavy cream, double cream, and into there goes the rest of my pot of jam. Now black currant, the actual blackcurrant plant was banned from North America and Canada because of it was an invasive foreign species. So you generally find blueberry or grape used in United States and Canada for mixtures of this type. You just want it into your mould. Get it into your mould and spread it out. Right, and those of you who've got kids in the house will know what to do with that bowl. I've got a Richard in the house, so I think Richard will know what to do with that bowl. He's the one with the sweet tooth. And we get that spread out now and get it nice and level like that. Alright, there's my jelly. I'd heated it up to boiling according to the manufacturer's instructions of the gel, and now I just need to let that cool down sufficiently until it starts to gel a bit before laying it on top of my cheesecake. So I'll show you the finished product. Alright, the next stage, I'm going to put a spoon down like that and then pour the gel onto the spoon and let it just spill over onto the surface. Now just needs to be left to set, and there's just the washing up to do, the peeling and the eating, and we all know how to do that, don't we, boys and girls? Alright, the moment of truth has arrived. Right, let's get the springform mould open, put that out of the way, and carefully peel that from the edge. Oh boy, I think we've excelled ourselves this time. Right, let me just get into that with a knife See if I can get this away in one piece. Oh yes. So there we have it, boys and girls. Blackcurrant cassis jammy cheesecake. Yummy yum.
This is a list of ingredients that you're going to need to use to make stuffed dumplings today. We have the dumpling flour, some shredded chicken breast, green seasoning, sweet pepper, carrots, garlic, pimento, and chopped onions. We have ketchup, tomato sauce, soy sauce, and tomato paste. So we're going to add all of the chopped ingredients to the pot to saute. And the ketchup. And now we add some boiling water to the pot. So we're going to fill the dumplings now. We break a tiny piece of flour. Open it out, flatten it out, and fill the dumplings with the shredded chicken. And then pinch to seal. Now add the dumplings to the sauce to boil. This is what it looks like when it's boiling, and it needs to boil for about half an hour, 30 to 45 minutes. It's going to be served as lunch to the guys, as school lunch for the kids, and this is what it looks like when you serve it out. You need to serve it with a little bit of sauce. Hope you guys like it. It can also be made with wonton skins for a quick and easier version.
Starting my Friday afternoon off right. A lot of people think when you cook ribs it's based on time, but it's not based on time at all. It's based on how the ribs are when they're done. So you have to probe them when they start to look like they're done. These have been going for 3-4 hours now, since about 1 o'clock, sorry. You can see how they're pulling away on the edges and the toothpick just slides right in and comes out. That's indication of being done, not how long they've been cooking for. Salt, pepper, grainy mustard, mayonnaise, potatoes, peas, and an egg.